Did you know that Windows 11 is rated the highest for satisfaction out of any Windows generation yet? And most people only scratch the surface of what it can do. Today I'm going to show you 10 features that are built right into the operating system, and I reckon at least one of these will make you say, wait, that's in Windows 11? Let's start with something deceptively simple, copy and paste. You know, Control+C or Control+V. Now please don't turn off the video thinking, I thought this was facts I didn't know. Because Windows 11 allows you to do so much more with this action if you know how. Take clipboard history, for example. This allows you to paste more than what you've last copied. Press the Windows key and V, and you'll see a panel pop up with everything you've copied recently, like text, links, and images. You can also pin your favorites here. Now here's the really cool part. If you turn on Cloud Clipboard, you can copy something on one device and paste it on another. So if you're working on your laptop and you need that link on your desktop, just make sure Cloud Clipboard is turned on and you're signed in with your Microsoft account on both devices. And then just copy here and paste over there. To turn on both settings, go to Settings, System, Clipboard, and toggle on Clipboard History and sync across devices. And diving deeper into commonly used features, let's talk about Snipping Tool. You've probably used Snipping Tool to grab the odd screenshot, but you can do so much more with it. Instead of a screenshot, you could capture a whole video. Just open the Snipping Tool and click the little camera icon here. Select the area you want to record and hit the button. It's perfect for showing something on your screen or making a quick tutorial, just like this one, without downloading anything extra. And if you're capturing screenshots of a document, did you know with Snipping Tool, it also has text actions like being able to copy text or redact sensitive information like emails and phone numbers. Just hit this text action button right here and choose which action you would like to perform. Now, if you're trying to stay focused, especially when working from home or juggling a million tabs, Windows 11 has a built-in helper called Focus Sessions. Open the Clock app and you'll see right here the Focus button. Clicking on it will bring up a timer. Hit this to expand to see even more settings like being able to choose how long you want to work or even play your favorite music in the background. It's great for deep work, study sessions, or just getting through a long list of tasks. Speaking of long lists, you can see your to-do tasks here as well. And you'll even be able to update them as you track your progress. So you'll get that little dopamine hit when you finish your session. Let's bring our attention down to the good old taskbar. It's a wow feature in every Windows generation, but let's make sure you're getting the most out of it. Now let's talk about some of the manual changes to the taskbar you can make with taskbar behaviors. Just right click on your taskbar and you'll see taskbar settings. Click on here and you'll see loads of customizable options. You can choose whether your icons are centered or left aligned, whether the taskbar hides automatically, and even how many windows group together. So if you hate when multiple Word docs stack in one open icon, you can turn that off. If you're the kind of person who has 1,000 apps open at once, then you'll probably also like to tweak this setting here called Show Smaller Taskbar Icons and turn it to Never. This means when your taskbar gets full, it adds a 3-dot icon at the end here. Click it and you'll see the rest of your apps neatly tucked away and not causing you grief every time you look down. If you haven't tried live captions in Windows 11 yet, you're missing out. Basically, it listens to whatever audio is playing on your PC, like videos, podcasts, or even Teams calls, and instantly turns it into on-screen subtitles. You don't need an app to support captions, and it works system-wide. To turn it on, head to Settings, Accessibility, Captions, and you'll see the option to customize the font, size, color, and background so it fits your style or visual needs. And if you're using a Copilot Plus PC, it gets even better. Live captions can handle multiple languages and translate them into English in real time, thanks to the built-in AI. It's perfect for noisy environments or just those moments where you forget your headphones and don't want to blast audio across the room. If you're tired of typing or just want to give your fingers a break, try voice typing. Press Windows key plus H and start speaking. Windows 11 will translate your voice with surprisingly good accuracy, and it also adds punctuation automatically. You can also do this absolutely anywhere that you might want to type in Windows 11, meaning you always have the freedom to use your voice instead of your hands should you want to. If you're someone that likes to keep things running smoothly, did you know Windows 11 has a built-in storage sense feature that quietly tidies your device in the background? Head to Settings, System, Storage, and you'll see an option called Storage Sense. When you turn it on, Windows will automatically clear out temporary files, empty your recycle bin, and manage cloud backed up content you haven't used in a while. If you've ever emailed yourself a file just to move it between devices, well, stop. Nearby sharing lets you wirelessly send links, files, and even photos between Windows devices without the need of a USB or cloud uploads. To turn it on, go to Settings, System, Nearby Sharing, and choose Everyone Nearby or My Devices Only. Then just right-click any file, select Share, and choose the nearby device. It's fast, secure, and is probably one of the quickest and easiest ways to share. And finally, tabs in File Explorer. It works just like your browser. Open a folder, press Ctrl plus T, and you've got a new tab. You can switch between locations without opening a dozen separate windows, drag tabs or rearrange them, and keep everything tidy in one place. It's especially handy when you're juggling files across different devices or folders. So there you go, 10 features hiding in plain sight that can genuinely make your day smoother. If you found even one of these helpful, give this video a like and be sure to subscribe for more tricks and tips. And if you've got your own hidden gem, drop it in the comments because we all love learning new tips. That's it from me though. See you soon. Ciao.